So just a simple little Valentine decoration. Just like that. Yeah, that's so puffy. Ooh, got to wait and let that dry. So that's what that one looks like. So I'm gonna keep this video pinned to the top. So Monday I'll come back and see who the winner is. Like my post, like my page, and comment which one you'd like, the one with the stripes or the plaid, and share my page. So, or share this video, I should say. And I'll let you guys know Monday who will get this, get one of these. So you guys have a great weekend, a safe weekend. Jody, enjoy your weather. I'm glad you're not snowed in like we are. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.